Hi my angels and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial for you guys and it is this no makeup look that I wore all the time in Bali. I absolutely love this type of makeup, and just as a little bit of a PSA, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm filming this in natural daylight. There's no softboxes. I'm literally just filming outside and it does show a lot of skin texture, and I think I'm going to do this more often because it makes me feel really normal in my skin, and hopefully it will help you guys. Because with all these perfect images that we see on Instagram and social media, I just want us all to feel like it's normal to look like this and it's normal to have skin texture. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out to you guys before I get loads of crazy comments in the comment section. But if you would like to see how to get this real natural no makeup look, then please keep watching. So starting this video off, I've cleansed and toned my face as always, and then I'm going straight in with my moisturizer. For that, I'm using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and I kid you not, you guys, I'm pretty much almost finished from this whole pot. I used it every single day in Bali, and I've been using it every single day since getting back. I love the way this feels on my skin. I love how it's hydrating, but it's really nice and dewy at the same time, but not oily. Absolutely love this stuff. I was actually filming outside in our pool area in our room, and I kept forgetting stuff because all my makeup was inside, so don't mind me. I just went and got my Farsali Healthy Eyes eye cream, and I'm popping this on underneath my eyes and also up into my brow area as well. I don't know, it's just a weird thing that I always do whenever I put my eye cream on. But once that is done, I'm going to move on to SPF. I never forget my SPF. I sometimes don't film it when I'm filming tutorials and stuff, but on holiday it is a must. For that, I was using the Silken Tatcha SPF. Love, love, love this stuff as well. Again, it's very moisturizing, but it doesn't leave a weird film on your face. And I'm also popping some onto my neck as well. And whatever's left over, I always kind of put on my hands. Because people always forget about that. But then I always check in a mirror to make sure everything is looking nice and blended in. So I'm taking my Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way concealer, and I'm putting this on underneath my eyes. This is literally the only coverage that I had on my face whenever I wanted to do a no makeup look. So I'm just popping this on underneath my eyes and just blending that all out with my beauty blender. I'm making sure all the edges are diffused out because you don't want to look like you're wearing concealer. But then I'm just taking whatever's left on my beauty blender in the other kind of areas where I just wanted a little something. So here you can see me just blending away. And again, forgotten something else. But I'm back and I've got my brush, and this is to blend out my liquid bronzer. I'm using the liquid Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and I'm getting that onto the usual areas that I like to bronze my face. So that's usually my cheekbones, around my hairline, a little bit on my jawline, and this literally blends into your skin so well. I know the lighting's really off in this video. It's kind of bright sometimes and not bright other times, but I kid you not, it just melts away into your skin, and yeah, it just looks like I've been extra sun-kissed. Then I'm taking the Becca Glow Silk, I think that's what they're called, highlighter drops. This is the champagne pop ones. Again, love this. I would actually wear this with no makeup and just SPF and pop this onto my high points of my face, and it just melts into the skin. Absolutely love this stuff. I've again almost used half the bottle up because I used it that much. But yeah, love the way this looks on my skin. And it also looks amazing on top of makeup as well. Then I'm taking the NARS Orgasm Blush. Love, again, this as well. I didn't take much with me on holiday, but the things that I did take, I used again and again and again. So I'm just getting this onto my cheeks, and as always, I put way too much blusher on, and I'm going to tone it down on my cheeks using my beauty blender. Then it's time for brows. I'm using my Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit, and I am filling my brows in. I do have my brows microbladed, but I do always have to have them filled in because by the time I put moisturizer and stuff on, they need some help. I'm taking the 24-hour brow setter. This is the best brow gel ever, not only for holiday but for normal days, like when I'm back at home, because it keeps my eyebrow hairs in place. Here I'm just tightlining my lash line, my upper lash line, and I think this is a Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner pencil. As you can see, the nib is completely melting off, but I did my best and got it on there. And then I'm just combing through my eyelash extensions with a spoolie. I like doing this actually before and after and during as well when I'm doing my makeup, just to make sure my lashes are nice, and it just I kind of know where the makeup's going, if you know what I mean. So once I'm happy with the way that the lashes are looking, by the way, this is week 4 almost of my lash extensions, and they still look amazing. For lips, I'm using the NARS Orgasm Lip Oil. I absolutely love this. I love the texture of it. It's not like a lip gloss, but it looks like your lips are really juicy and glossy, but it is almost like in between a balm and an oil. It's beautiful. But this, you guys, is the end of the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved wearing this no makeup pretty much like all the time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.